Next we are discussing area of quadrilateral ABCD inscribed in a circle. Okay, so we have a circle. Inside this circle we have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. This one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. We want to find out area of ABCD. Okay, so we know the formula of area of quadrilateral, that is delta equal to what? Root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D minus ABCD into cos square alpha, where alpha equal to B plus D divided by 2, and S equal to what? Sum of the sides A plus B plus C plus D divided by 2, that is S. This formula we know. We want to find out area of quadrilateral ABCD inscribed in a circle. So these 4 points lies on the circle. Then we can say that sum of opposite angle is what? 180. So here we can say that B plus D equal to what? 180. So alpha is what? 180 divided by 2, that is 90. So alpha value we are putting here. So area of this quadrilateral is nothing but delta equal to root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D minus ABCD into cos square 90. Cos square 90 is what? 0. So what will come? Delta equal to what? Root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D. This is your area. So area of quadrilateral inscribed in a circle is nothing but root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D. So this is your formula. Next we are discussing area of quadrilateral ABCD which can have a circle inscribed in it. So we want to find out area of this quadrilateral ABCD. Inside this quadrilateral we have a circle. That circle will touch the sides at point P, Q, R and S points. So we want to find out area of this quadrilateral. Okay, we know that area of quadrilateral is what? Delta equal to what? Root over S minus A into S minus B into S minus C into S minus D minus ABCD into cos square alpha, where alpha is what? B plus D divided by 2, and S is what? A plus B plus C plus D divided by 2. This is your general formula. But we want to find out this quadrilateral area. So here we have that inside this quadrilateral we have a circle. So here we can say that from point A we are drawing tangents that will touch the sides. That's the circle at point S and P. So here we can say that AP equal to AS. Similarly from point B also we can say that BP equal to BQ. Similarly from point C also we can say that CR equal to CQ. So CR equal to CQ. And from point D also we can say that DR equal to DS. This we can say. DR equal to DS. This we can say. Now we are adding this one. So what will come here? AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to, this are what will come? AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. This will come. So here if you see AP plus BP is nothing but A. So this is what? A plus CR plus DR. CR is what? This one plus DR is this one. So CR plus DR is what? C. So A plus C equal to, here if you see AS is this one, and you see DS. AS plus DS is what? D. So AS plus DS is what? D plus BQ plus CQ. So BQ is what? This one, and CQ is this one. So BQ plus CQ is what? B. So this is B. Okay, this summation is what? This summation is what? D, and this summation is what? B. Similarly, this summation is what? A, and this summation is what? C. This we can say. Okay, and we know that S formula. So S is what? A plus B plus C plus D divided by 2. So instead of A plus C, if you put B plus D. Okay, so here if you put here S equal to what will come? Instead of A plus C, we are putting B plus D, and plus B plus D divided by 2. So S equal to what will come? B plus D. And we know that B plus D is nothing but A plus C. So this is equal to what? A plus C. This will come. Okay. So from here, delta will be what? Root over What is s minus a? So s minus a, if you equate these two, so s minus a equal to what? C. Similarly, s minus c equal to what? A. Similarly, from here, s minus b equal to what? D, and s minus d equal to what? B. So if you use s minus a is what? C into s minus b. So what is s minus b? D. Similarly, s minus c. So what is s minus c? This one, A. And similarly, last is what? S minus d. So what is s minus d? B. So this will come out B minus ABCD cos square alpha. This will come. So delta equal to what? See, root over, from here we can take ABCD common. In bracket, what will come? 1 minus cos square alpha. So delta equal to what will come? Root over ABCD. 1 minus cos square alpha is what? Sin square alpha. So delta equal to what? ABCD square root, and this is another what? Modulus of sin alpha. And we know that alpha is what? 0 to 180 degree. Maximum is what? Obtuse. So 0 to 180 degrees sine is what? Positive. So this one we can write delta equal to what? Root over ABCD sin alpha. That's your answer. Where alpha is what? B plus D divided by 2. This will come. That's your answer.